Want to inject serious energy and dynamism into your still images? Today, we're diving into Adobe Photoshop to master the motion blur effect and give your designs that crucial sense of movement. First, open your chosen image in Photoshop. Now, in your Layers panel, duplicate your base layer by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Layer. This preserves your original image. Rename the new layer something like Motion Blur. Next, go to the top menu, click on Filter, then Blur, and then select Motion Blur. Boom! A box will appear. Within the Motion Blur dialog box, you'll see two key controls: angle and distance. The angle lets you dictate the direction of the blur. Think of it as the direction of movement. Experiment with this slider. Then the distance controls the amount or intensity of that blur. Drag the distance slider. Longer distance creates a more pronounced, dramatic blur, enhancing the feeling of speed or motion. Find a sweet spot where the blur looks dynamic without obscuring your main subject. You can adjust these settings until you're happy with the effect. You've just enhanced your image by adding motion blur to create a much more engaging image than your original. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to utilize the motion blur filter in Adobe Photoshop to enhance your visual designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial.